Today, we'll be taking a look at your drain tube on the Samsung French door refrigerator. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, must first remove our compressor cover here. It's held on by a couple of Phillips screws around the edges. Once we have those removed, pull out on the cover, lift up, and then we can set it to the side. Now that we have the cover removed, we have clear access to our drain lines here. Now, one of the main reasons why you'd be replacing your drain line is if it is leaking. A lot of times what I have found is if you have maybe like mice or something, they like to chew through this rubber. Or maybe it just deteriorated over time where there's small holes causing the water to come out the side instead of trailing down to the bottom. If this is the case, it'll need to be replaced. Just go ahead and pull down on it, pull it off, and set it to the side. When installing a new drain line, generally it's going to come like this. You'll have one tube with a hole on it, as well as your top cap. The whole portion you will put toward the bottom, install the top cap on the top, and the sleeve will just slide inside the divoted area. Then we will slide it down on the spike, bend it up, push it all the way as high as you can to the top and straighten the tube. Now we can reinstall the cover. When reinstalling our cover, first we're going to bring it in at an angle, and these teeth that are on here, right here is one. There's another one on the other side, as well as one on this side. This will support the bottom. Then let's go ahead and start to reinstall the screws. The last one in here. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.